On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT from start to finish in a simple and professional way, so you can understand everything clearly and start using it like a pro. First, go to the ChatGPT website where you can sign up for free. You have several options to create your account. You can continue with your Google account, continue with Apple, or sign up using your email address. After signing up, log in using the same method, and once you're inside, you will arrive at the main interface. This is where everything happens. You can ask anything you want by typing your question directly, or you can use your voice instead of typing, which makes the experience faster and easier. One of the most powerful features is the ability to upload files or images. For example, you can upload a photo and ask ChatGPT to analyze it, describe it, or even generate ideas based on that image. In addition to that, you can create images using AI. You can generate anime characters, professional headshots, posters, infographics, or creative designs just by selecting a style and letting the AI generate it for you. Another important feature is web search and deep research tools. These allow ChatGPT to access updated information and provide more detailed and accurate answers. There is also an advanced thinking mode that helps produce more structured and intelligent responses, especially for complex questions. When it comes to pricing, you can use ChatGPT for free, but there are also paid plans that unlock more features. The Plus plan gives you more messages, better reasoning, and improved image generation, while the Pro plan provides the highest level of performance and is designed for advanced users who need maximum efficiency. You can also customize your experience in the settings by changing the appearance between light and dark mode, selecting your preferred language, and managing your data and privacy options. Using ChatGPT is very simple. For example, you can ask a question like, "Who is the current president of the United States?" and instantly receive a clear and accurate answer. But it does not stop there. You can ask complex questions, generate content, upload files, or solve problems in seconds. One of the most powerful sections is the Explore GPTs feature. This allows you to access specialized AI tools designed for specific tasks. You can find tools for programming where you can write, debug, and optimize code, tools for website creation that generate full HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects, educational tools to learn languages or academic subjects, writing tools to improve and rewrite content, and tools for creating images, videos, and presentations. There are also tools for research, productivity, and many other use cases, making ChatGPT an all-in-one platform. Finally, you can manage all your chats and projects easily from the sidebar. You can access your previous conversations, search within them, and keep everything organized so you can work more efficiently. And that's it. Now you have a complete overview of how to use ChatGPT and its main features. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.